Hey everybody, and welcome to how to create a job board with Formidable Forms. We're about to get started here by creating our first form. We just wanted to give you a quick overview of the current website. This is a brand new WordPress install. There is very little content on here. We're really going to focus on making this just about jobs. The theme, in case you're curious, is Jobile or Jobile, and that is available in the WordPress theme repository completely for free. However, you can use any theme you want. We're going to be creating these forms and views from Formidable Forms so that they can be dropped right into the content area of any theme. So let's get started. We're going to go to our WordPress dashboard, and the first thing that we need to do is create a form. So we'll click on Forms, and you can see that we don't have any forms created. There are a few templates that come out of the box with Formidable Forms. So let's take a look at these. There's a contact us, a job application, real estate, and user information. Job application is close to what we want, but this is for somebody who is applying for a job. So this will come in handy later. We need to create a brand new form for people who want to post job listings. So we will add a new form, and then we'll go ahead and we'll add some fields. So this is going to be a relatively light form. We're going to add a job title, a company, whether it's full-time, part-time, or an internship, location, description, a link to the company, and the company logo. Users will be able to apply for a job right here on the site. So let's start with the first field, which is going to be job title. We're going to make this required, and we're going to change the field key to something that makes a little bit more sense. We'll keep all the labels and positioning the same. We really want to focus in on creating the content and how to hook everything up in this video. So we're not going to spend a whole lot of time going through actually creating the form. With that said, why don't we fast forward to after we have the form created and start looking at the settings. All right, so our form is created. We have our fields in place. Now it's time to go to the settings area. So there are a few settings here that we can change or modify. We're going to change these as needed throughout the rest of the videos. So we're not going to make any changes to these now, but we will in the next few videos. So if we preview this in the theme, we could see how it looks. Looks pretty good. So it's just a big long form. So that's looking pretty good. So we'll update this, and then we will create a job postings page. We'll use the Formidable Forms content adder to add our job posting. We didn't add a description, so we will just keep this as it is. We'll insert into post. We'll make this the full width template, and we'll click publish. So that's it for this video. In it, we learned how to create a simple job posting form with Formidable Forms. In the next video, we are going to hook PayPal up to it so that submitters can pay in order to post jobs.